Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another weekend vlog. Today is December 12th, I believe, Saturday the 12th. We have quite a few different Christmas things going on this weekend, so I wanted to vlog it. So the boys' elf this morning left some craft things for them, so we're gonna start this vlog off by doing a little craft. We go to Floyd's mom's tonight to celebrate Christmas there. And they're gonna make like a little craft that they can give to each of their grandparents, and I'm keeping one, and everything like that. So we're gonna start off by doing that today. Their elves painted them a little picture and left them all the craft stuff and all of these hand towels. So we're just gonna make like little Christmas tree hand towels. I see it. It's gonna be really great in a second. So I'm just starting off by putting 2 of Braden's handprints on the bottom, and then I'm going to put 1 of Tristan's handprint on top of his just to get like that tree shape. Oh my gosh, you guys, I forgot how hard it is to do baby handprints. It's been some time since I've done them. I think this is actually Tristan's first handprint project because before we did his feet. Yeah, hard, huh?
You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true.
Did we have to evacuate to the bath? That messy man. Oh! You got me. You got me.
Drinking hot wine by the fire.
Once the handprints were dry, I went ahead and painted on a star and a tree trunk, and I also just took a couple colors and made some bulbs on the tree just to give it, you know, a little bit more of something. And then after I did that, I took out my stamps that I got from, I believe, Michael's, and decided to put Braden and Tristan on there. You could put Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, you know, whatever you want to put. But I put the boys' names. That way it's kind of more of like a keepsake. And I love just having a craft from year to year that I can take out and remember, like, you know, how big their little hands were and whatever year. And so I just wanted to put their names. That way it's kind of more personalized towards the boys.
You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow.
I also decided to take a spatula that says Merry Christmas on it that I got from Target for $1 and tie that together with the towels with some twine. You could also get like another solid color towel and put that behind it. I think that would look really cute too and give the gift kind of more of like a full look, you know, but I didn't think of that until I was assembling these, so they're just getting spatulas.
It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang up.
So then you have a super easy, fun for the kids, and budget-friendly little DIY project that you can give as gifts to grandparents or parents or whoever, really. I think that these came out super cute. And Braden always gets really excited to give gifts that he made.
$16 for Bolshinez coffee.
Oh my god. I'm never going to
We
Starbucks
have
with
a
Floyd
coffee
yet.
machine at home, and Dunkin' is like 3/4 of the price. I'm over here, by the way, over this way.
I'm not showing you for a reason. I was getting on here to say how
I got my bougie coffee.
we're heading to
Bougie.
Will you stop? We're heading to Floyd's mom's house for Christmas with his family currently. But we stopped to Starbucks on the way.
So much better than your bullshit stuff that costs like 15 bucks.
My friend Laura, after Floyd's over here talking crap about Starbucks, was so sweet and sent me a Starbucks gift card. So I stopped to grab some coffee on the way because needing it today. But Floyd's like a hater of Starbucks, so I never get it with him because all he does is complain the whole entire time.
Because they charge way too much money for coffee. Coffee is usually very cheap.
This is way better than any Dunkin' coffee I get.
You don't like to taste coffee? Don't drink coffee. When you have all this
It's not the
flavors.
taste. This, you still don't understand. Somebody tell them in the comments down below that Starbucks is better. Anyways, thank you, Laura. That was so sweet of you. She's literally the sweetest. I'm gonna link her YouTube down below. I just collabed with her actually on Friday, but she's literally the sweetest ever. So now we are heading to Floyd's mom's.
Drinking bougie coffee.
Will stop? You don't even get coffee.
There's coffee in this.
Oh my god.
Because everything else doesn't taste like coffee there.
Brayden's getting very impatient. Back there saying, I want to go to Grandma's.
You got a bougie cookie, snowman cookie.
He apparently didn't like it though, because now I got it.
That cost probably like 15 bucks.
Bye.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day.
Good morning, guys. It is now the next day. Obviously, when we got home from Floyd's mom's last night, we just chilled. The boys played with their new toys and then we went to bed, really. So I didn't vlog anything, but it's the next day now. We are currently getting ready to go see Santa.
And I don't back home.
Yeah, okay, I forgot to film the intro clip, so I'm filming that after we saw Santa, so technically we already saw Santa.
I didn't even talk and saying that because you're just editing it out later.
Because Brayden just said, and I was going back home. But there's like no Santa events going around near us for obvious reasons. So I found one that's like an hour away.
I've been with the seen bench and I got with a naughty scene. With a bin?
Yep, I got that on film.
Yeah.
They saw you get the naughty thing. So I'm gonna insert the footage here of our Santa visit. It was super cute, I think, don't you think? It was like really intimate because of COVID. There was only like 4 other families or so in there. And yeah, it was cute.
With you, so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And
It is cold. Hi! Hi, handsome! You want one here now? Okay.
You tell Mama what you want.
You want wrestlers on your list? Okay. Do you know any specific wrestlers you want, or just all of them?
WWE action figures? All WWE action figures.
What else do you want? Monster trucks? Okay. What else? Thank you. Thank you. Army guys? More army guys?
by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Is that so cool? Yeah? We get to give this to him after, so we gotta get everything on there you want.
Legos.
Legos?
It's toy time.
Is he toy time Legos? Okay, and do you want to write some on there?
I don't know what's
What else? I think that's almost like everything you told Mama. You also told me you want the Hot Wheels garage. What? I know, I accidentally broke that one.
Moment will fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents.
Put your list. It got a little spill on. Go ahead, sit right there. What do you want for Christmas? You gotta tell him. Tell Santa he can't hear you. Wrestlers. Army guys. Nerf guns.
As long as I spend this day with you.
Very nice or naughty?
Uh-oh, what's he gonna land on? I can explain! That means you weren't too good! Start talking about kissing balls.
So that sign said.
Oh my gosh, I literally
I think it was like a reef or something.
literally can't vlog when Floyd's near me.
Just search it. It's probably a reef.
I don't care about a kissing ball.
That's fucked up.
And it asked me like Russian.
Ella brought you wrestlers today?
I think that kid interrupts you.
Okay, but he says things that are cute and matter. You just say nonsense that nobody cares about.
You're gonna lose viewers right now because you said no one cares about kissing balls. I'm sure someone there like
I
kissing
lose
balls.
viewers every time I post a vlog, so. What, baby?
What are they?
What are what?
Wait, those were the Russian sheets.
WWE figures?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, wait, those were the ones.
Yeah, the little ones are little WWE figures.
You are them.
Where are
They're in
they?
your purse.
Oh. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying anymore because kids and
balls.
husband.
And kissing balls.
But that was cute, it was fun. I'm glad we got to see Santa and actually get pictures with him because I really thought we weren't going to this year. I'm still like a little sad because we have pictures with a specific one ever since Braden was in my belly. Like every year since he was in my belly, and then last year when Tristan was in my belly too, and this year we're not going to, so that's a little upsetting, but at least we got to get any sort of pictures with him, so I'm happy about that. I'm happy that they got to see him, and they got to like, he got to write his list and everything like that right there too, so it was cute.
Hey guys, I want to play the baby menu, Mama.
Okay, guys, did you hear that, guys? But now we are heading home. First we're stopping to drop off Braden's other Santa letter into a Santa mailbox and drop off some presents because I'm doing like a gift exchange thing with a local mom around here since there's like no Christmas events going on.
Oh,
Floyd
like
swears
looking.
too much for my videos.
I was looking to see what the hell that was.
Ah! Tristan! Tristan! What are you doing? What are you doing with that blankie? Of course, now he's not going to, but he's been like rolling around this blanket. He's so funny. Oh, here he goes. What are you doing? We are officially home for the day. Floyd actually had to run out to drop the garbage off real quick, but we are home. I'm gonna start cleaning actually this child. What are you doing? What are you doing, you silly baby? What are you doing, you silly baby? I love you. Oh man. He's getting so big, it makes me so emotional. Where'd my little baby go? There was like a little itty bitty baby at the Santa thing this morning, and it just broke my heart to think that he was once that size just a few months ago, and now he's this size. So big, so giant, so big, so giant, so big. Oh, look at those teeth. Look at all those diapers. I don't know if you guys saw it too, but he waves high now. He knows how to like wave high. He claps. He does like a few different things, but he only likes to do them when he likes to do them. So A lot of times I'll like try to show people, oh, you know, look at how he says hi, and then he won't do it. But then one little boy said hi to Brayden. Didn't wave or anything, just said hi, and Tristan was like, back. Hi! 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 Yeah, you're not gonna do it for mama, huh? Because you see the camera, and here you come for it. It's not for you, though. It's not for you, though. No. In a month and a half, he will be 1, and it's just, where'd my baby go? I feel like too this year was just so crazy that like it just, I don't know, I feel like his life just like blinked by that year. Blinked by. Brayden's gonna be 4 on Friday. I'm gonna start tearing up. Literally, I've been like talking about this like for days, just trying to get myself prepared, but every time I talk about it, I literally start tearing up because like, where's my baby going? I don't even understand. I want my babies to stay little forever. There's nothing I love more than being their mama. Nothing I love more than hanging out with you and your brother. But anyways, I don't even know like what I said about the place earlier because Floyd and Brayden were just talking too much for me. It was so cute, it was so intimate. I'm sure you guys could see in the videos. There was only like I think 4 or 5 other families. It was really small, they were spaced out really well. And the boys got like a decent amount of time with Santa. He came to our table multiple times. They got to go get pictures with him in different setups and stuff. So it was really nice. I love how with like the circumstances of this year, it's crazy. I love how with the circumstances of this year and how crazy it's been, people are finding, what? Oh, mommy can't vlog, huh? People are still finding ways to be creative and make the best of it for our kids and for their businesses and everything like that. So, you know, if anything good has come from this year, it's definitely like, what are you doing? What are you doing? This year's definitely taught us all to appreciate life a little bit more. Appreciate, you know, the life we had compared to what it is now, and appreciate spending more time together and, you know, all of that good stuff. So something good comes from COVID. But anyways, as I was saying, I'm getting ready to clean. My house is a wreck from this past weekend. We've just had like all the stuff going on, and after last this kid's crazy. The boys came home with all those toys, and there's just stuff everywhere. There's Floyd will fold the laundry, but he sucks at putting it away. So if like where I will leave it in the bins until I'm ready to put it away, he'll like take it out and fold it and put it on the table. So then it just makes the house look automatically messy because there's laundry all over the table. So I gotta put that away. But I'm sure I'm not gonna vlog for a little bit because when I clean, I don't find myself vlogging much, but I'm sorry, these weekend vlogs are all over the place. When Floyd's home, it's like really hard for me to vlog, just because we are so like go, go, go. I filmed a vlog this past week during the weekday that will be up on, I think Wednesday is my plan, and that I'm like I'm able to vlog when it's like just me and the boys here so much easier because there's just less going on and we're more in like a routine, and I can kind of bring you guys along like while I get stuff off my list and stuff. So these weekend vlogs are definitely more for me than anything, but I hope you guys enjoy them still.